Hello everyone and welcome to this TidyCal review. Is it better than Calendly? TidyCal is a scheduling tool designed to make booking appointments as simple as sharing a link. Often compared to its more expensive counterpart, TidyCal stands out by offering an exceptional balance of powerful features and unbeatable value. And this leads us to talk about the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you have solid reasons to get into this service. We have the link to TidyCal in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And now to the key features. TidyCal provides all the necessary tools for seamless scheduling, whether you're a solo freelancer or a growing team. Universal Calendar Sync. You can connect and synchronize with all major platforms including Google Calendar, Office 365, and Apple iCal. Blocking out busy times to prevent double booking. You can connect up to 10 calendars on the paid plan. Unlimited booking types. Here you can create as many meeting types as you need, from quick 15 minutes discovery calls to 1-hour paid consultations or group webinars. Each type can have its own duration and availability rules. Direct payment collection. Here you can easily integrate with Stripe or PayPal to make payment right when a booking is made, and this helps to reduce no-shows for paid sessions. Automated meeting links. Here you can automatically generate video conference links from bookings using native integrations with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Team and group scheduling. With this feature, you can manage group bookings like workshops and utilize powerful team features including collective and round-robin scheduling. And now to the pricing. TidyCal's pricing model is its biggest competitive advantage, offering a rare lifetime deal instead of monthly subscriptions. This means you pay once and own the software forever. You have the free plan, and this comes with unlimited bookings, unlimited booking types, and basic integrations amongst others. Then you have the individual with a lifetime deal. And this comes at $29 for a one-time fee. Here you get to connect 10 calendars, auto-create Zoom or Meet links, and custom email reminders. The agency plan comes at a $79 one-time fee, SMS reminders, and dedicated Teams page. Now here's our recommendation. If you're a freelancer, consultant, or small business owner looking for the ultimate value, the individual lifetime deal for $29 is the best choice you make this year. It delivers premium features for the cost of just 1 or 2 months of a competitor's service, but you get to keep it forever. So go ahead and purchase the individual plan today and eliminate monthly scheduling costs permanently. And now to the pros and cons. TidyCal on the bright side has unbeatable value. The one-time lifetime payment model for the paid plan offers massive long-term savings compared to per-user recurring subscriptions. Easy to use. The platform is known for its quick and straightforward setup, making it accessible even for the non-tech savvy. Unlimited flexibility. Now both the free and paid plans allow for unlimited booking types and unlimited bookings. Effective syncing. It works perfectly with major calendar providers, ensuring your availability is always accurate and eliminating double bookings. On the downside for TidyCal, it has limited branding control, where you cannot completely remove all TidyCal branding, but you get to only reduce it on the paid plans. Basic reminders. You are limited to only 2 custom reminder emails per booking, and the text message reminders are only available on the agency plan. And this is restricted to US and Canada numbers. No coupon feature. You cannot offer discount codes for paid bookings directly. This requires creating a separate discounted booking type. In conclusion, TidyCal successfully takes the pain out of scheduling, offering a powerful tool that significantly streamlines the process for you and your clients. While it might lack some deep advanced automation workflows found in more expensive subscription-based tools, it delivers all the functionality most solopreneurs and small teams need. Its lifetime deal is a game changer, making it the most cost-effective and low-risk investment in your business efficiency. Choosing TidyCal means choosing simplicity, accuracy, and incredible long-term savings. Don't forget to check out the link to TidyCal in the description below so you can enjoy these services. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.